Hello, my name is Michael Sharp, and this presentation is going to be why I chose electrical engineering as my major. So let's get right into it. So as you can see here, based on my academic history, math has always been my strongest suit. It's always been something that I've been able to connect with, and it's one subject that's always just clicked for me in school. So it was fairly enjoyable. I made lots of friends that way, and the same can be said about science. So science was always so much fun just to learn about, just because everything that we learned was so applicable, and I felt like I was really getting quality education in all my science classes, and they were just the most fun. I can say that. But juxtaposed to both of those things is that I've always been interested in music. So music has always it's been with me ever since 6th grade, and it's always been something that I've been doing for extracurricular activities, and as well as just in my free time as well. I love to create and practice, and just enjoy listening to music as well. So as it says at the bottom of the slide, is that audio production at home is one of my most prevalent hobbies, which is the act of creating music on a laptop or computer, and just being able to express yourself that way. But I would not like to pursue it as a career, because I believe that engineering it's something that I would thoroughly enjoy as an occupation and not get bored of. And I fear that if I were to do audio production for most every day of my life, then I fear I would lose passion for it. So the reason I talk about that is because I would like to manufacture audio equipment. That way I can still be involved in the music community, but I won't be doing it as an actual profession. So again, that's why I chose electrical engineering, because I believe electrical is the closest thing I can get to making audio software, audio interfaces, microphones, amplifiers, and everything of that caliber. So some companies that delve into that territory include Yamaha Instruments. They're probably one of the leading audio equipment manufacturers in the not just in the U.S., but probably in the world as well. There's Alesis. They make electronic drum sets, electronic keyboards, lots of varying instruments that you can use for both performing and recording. Behringer and Focusrite. These are both companies that make audio interfaces, which allow you to input and output audio into your computer. And then Genelec is a smaller, lesser-known company, but they make speakers specifically for your computers to play back what you have on your audio software. So moving on, a more in-depth description as to what I'd like to do is designing things such as keyboards, speakers, audio interfaces, microphones, amplifiers. There's a wide variety of things that can be created, and the salary, as far as that goes, $62,000 per year, around that salary. That's probably that's about the minimum for an electrical engineer in this territory. And then the maximum, as you can see there, is around $130,000. So not the biggest difference, but being able to be around that 6-digit figure is well, it's something I'm certainly interested in. But like lots of people have told me, it's not always about the money, but that's another reason why I'd like to do this. And as you can see here, I have a couple links of some videos that really inspired me to want to get into audio equipment. And this first one right here, it says that producer Andrew Huang gives a tour of his studio and explains the various technologies he uses to create and produce music. So Andrew Huang, he's always been a one of my favorite producers because he shows his process and he shows all of the gear that he uses as well. And he does do a very good job of explaining what each piece of equipment does and how it benefits him in his music making experience. And this video is very good to check out whether you're interested in audio technology or not. And this second YouTube video that I have down there, at the event known as Music Mess, I believe that's how you say it, artist Jacob Collier explores the Yamaha booth where they have made many technologically advanced instruments and hardware. So Jacob Collier, he's a very advanced musician. He's of growing popularity, certainly as of late, and watching him be able to go through a audio equipment showcase event like Music Mess and to be able to display what musicians can do with technology it's magical to me, and it's something that something I'd strive to achieve. So that's why Yamaha is a prevalent company that I'd like to work for, because they are so advanced in what they do with music technology. It's truly fascinating. And these are both very good YouTube videos to check out, whether you're interested in audio technology or even music in general. But that's about it for me. So thank you for watching, and hopefully this will earn me that good grade. Thank you very much.